Why, hello there, Algebra 1 students. Mr. Kalkbrenner here, still at it, still reviewing this 2019 edition, spring edition release questions. I believe this is question 9. So if I look at this problem, it says a function is given f of x equals, remember that's just function notation. It's a fancy way of saying the letter y and the number 0. Next to it on the right-hand side, you have 2x minus 2 times the quantity x minus 3. So what we like to call this is factored form. So the nice thing about this, guess what? Again, you can see it in the corner. What is this? Whoa, Nino. Grab the wrong thing. Let's try to grab it with the mouse. Come on. No, I don't want that. There we go. I want this. Let's go with Desmos. If you look, it's getting a little bit late. So here we go. We're going to go to Desmos with this problem right here. All right. So let's get this. We'll move this back to normal, hopefully. Boop. There we go. So here we go. Type this bad boy into Desmos. Very, very simple. All we have to do is click on, maybe. Okay, thank you. So we have our set of parentheses here, and then our other set of parentheses. Let's just look at that question. It's 2x minus 2, x minus 3, so 2x minus 2. And then we have x minus 3 right here. Let's get this out of the way. So if we look at this, if we just click on our equation, you have the y-intercept here, the 2 solutions, roots, zeros, x-intercepts, whatever you want to call them. And then we have our very, very important vertex, which is our minimum, because our y values are decreasing until it gets to this x value. Once it hits this x value, what happens to your function? The y values start to increase. So left to right, we're going down until we hit this minimum point called our vertex, and then we start to go back up. All right. So here's the deal. It wants us to do what? It says use the add point button right here, right? Add point to plot the zeros and the maximum or minimum value of the function. So all I have to do is copy this graph. I don't need the y-intercept. I need these 3 points here. This is why I love Desmos. This is why we're trying to tell you that Desmos is indeed your best friend. So check it out. We need to plot 1, 0, and we need to plot 3, 0. So when we do that, we'll add a point at 1, 0, and 3, 0. The other point they want us to plot is that minimum point, which is right 2, and then down 1. I went y's over x's, sorry. So from the origin, right 2, down 2, and we plot, add a point, down, or right 2, 1, 2, down 2, and we're right there. So it says use the add point tool to plot the zeros and the maximum minimum value of the function. Whoop, there it is. Thought you knew. So all we did was, again, typed factored form into Desmos, got our f word, our function. They wanted the 2 solutions, which were on the x-axis. So we just highlight those, plot those suckers right there. Boop. And then down here is our minimum value. So if I wanted to delete something, I think I highlight delete and I just click on it and I remove it. However, I need that point there for my answer. So I need right 2, down 2, and I plot that point there. So that's it. That is our answer for this problem. I hope it helped.